Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hazimah Akbar Aljabari. My major is Mathematics Education. Today, I will discuss material about area of triangle, quadrilaterals, and circle. Please be listened to and understood. Enjoy this video. What I will discuss first is a triangle. Can you see what shapes or picture a triangle looks like? The formula for the area of a triangle is L equals half times A times T. For more details in using the triangle formula, please pay attention to the example questions that I will explain. Now we enter the example of a triangle problem. Calculate the area of the triangle below. Has been known, E equals 10 cm and T equals 2 cm. Completion, substitute it into the triangle formula. L equals half times 10 cm times 2 cm. Then the result area of triangle is L equals 10 cm squared. I have explained how to find the area of a triangle. Now I will give you a question and please answer the equation. I will give you a few minutes to answer, then we will discuss it together. Now let's answer together. A scarf in the shape of an isosceles triangle with the same side length of 12 cm and the other side to 30 cm. If the scarf is 9 cm high, of course the scarf is wide. Has been known, E equals 30 cm and T equals 9 cm. Substitute it into the triangle formula as in the example. L equals half times 30 cm times 9 cm. Then the result area of triangle is L equals 135 cm. The next material is quadrilaterals, which are divided into three, namely rectangles, squares, and parallelograms. First, we discuss is a rectangle. Can you see what shape or picture a rectangle looks like? The formula for the area of a rectangle is long times width. For more details in using the rectangle formula, please pay attention to the example questions that I will explain. Now, we enter the example of a rectangle problem. Now that a rectangle length is 4 cm and weight 3 cm, calculate the parameter of the rectangle and dr of the rectangle. Has been known, width equals 3 cm and long equals 4 cm. Substitute it into the rectangle formula. L equals 4 cm times 3 centimeters. Then the result area of rectangle is L equals 12 centimeters. I have explained how to find the area of a rectangle. Now I will give you a question and please answer the question. I will give you a few minutes to answer, then we will discuss it together. Now let's answer together. A football field has a field length of 50 meters and a field width of 30 meters. Determine the area of the football field. Has been known. Long equals 50 meters and width equals 30 meters. Completion, substitute it into the rectangle formula as in the example. L equals long equals 50 meters times width equals 30 meters. Then the result area of rectangle is L equals 1500 meters squared. The second we discussed is square. Can you see what shape or picture a square looks like? The formula for the area of a square is side times side. For more details in using the square formula, please pay attention to the example questions that I will explain. Now we enter the example of a square problem. A square of rice field with a side length of 50 meters. The area of the rice field is has been known. Side equals 50 meters and side equals 50 meters. Completion, substitute it into the square formula. L equals 50 meters times 50 meters. Then the result area of square is L equals 2500 meters squared. I have explained how to find the area of a square. Now I will give you a question and please answer the question. I will give you a few minutes to answer, then we will discuss it together. Now let's answer together. There are two squares that have different sides. Now that the side length of the shape 1 equals 10 centimeters, the length of the side of the shape 2 equals 4 centimeters. Answer: L shape 1 equals 10 times 10 equals 100 centimeters squared. L shape 2 equals 4 times 4 equals 16 centimeters squared. The shade area equals L shape 1 minus L shape 2. The shade area equals 100 centimeters squared minus 16 centimeters squared equals 84 centimeters squared. The third we discussed is a parallelogram. Can you see what shape or picture a parallelogram looks like? The formula for the area of a square is L equals A times T. For more details in using the parallelogram formula, please pay attention to the example questions that I will explain. Now we enter the example of a parallelogram problem. The height and base of the paper surface in the form of a parallelogram are 25 centimeters and 34 centimeters, respectively. The surface area of the paper has been known. E equals 34 centimeters and T equals 25 centimeters. Completion: substitute it into the parallelogram formula. L equals 34 centimeters times 25 centimeters. Then the result area of parallelogram is L equals 850 centimeters squared. I have explained how to find the area of a parallelogram. Now I will give you a question and please answer the question. I will give you a few minutes to answer, then we will discuss it together. Now let's answer together. A field in the form of length width sides 110 meters and 50 meters. The area of the field has been known. E equals 110 meters and T equals 50 meters. Substitute it into the parallelogram formula as in the example. L equals 110 meters times 50 meters. Then the result area of parallelogram is L equals 5,500 meters squared. Now we enter the last material, namely the circle. Can you see what shape or picture a circle looks like? The formula for the area of a circle is determined by the radius of the circle, where the formula is L equals P times radius squared, or L equals quarter diameter squared. For more details in using the circle formula, please pay attention to the example questions that I will explain. Now we enter the example of a circle problem. If now a circle has a diameter of 14 cm, what is the area of the circle? Has been known. P equals 22/7 and D equals 14 cm. Completion: substitute it into the circle formula. L equals quarter times 22/7 times 14 squared. Then the result area of circle is L equals 154 centimeters squared. I have explained how to find the area of a circle. Now I will give you a question and please answer the question. I will give you a few minutes to answer, then we will discuss it together. Now, let's answer together. A plane drops a bomb. The bomb explodes in a perfect circle with an explosion radius of 7 kilometers. What is the area affected by the explosion? Has been known. P equals 22.7 and R equals 7 kilometers. Completion, substitute it into the circle formula as in the example. L equals 22.7 times 7 kilometers squared. Then the result area of circle is L equals 154 kilometers squared. Thank you for your attention. Apologize if there are errors and deviations in the pronunciation and explanation of the material. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.